nililigawan po ng minority yung dalawang independent senators. If makuha nila sila, may possibility na maagaw nila ang mayorya. Okay, but let's take a look. Sino ba yung dalawang nililigawan? Senator Zubiri and Senator J.V. Ejercito. Tingin nyo ba maliligawan yung dalawang yon? Parang tingin ko hindi. Kasi nag-identify na even noon pa itong si Senator Mix. But both of them are not up for re-election. So I don't know kung anong kinatatakutan nila. Sabi ni Silent Poison, si JV tingin ko hindi, pero si Migs mukhang bibigay kasi nag-away na sila ni Cayetano niyan eh. But tatayain ba nila yung kanilang political future to vote against Inday? What do you think? Sabi ni Omi, in one of the interviews of Senator Zubiri, he said he doesn't agree with the change of leadership. If he doesn't agree, he could have said no. Maybe it's a principled stand. Sino po kaya yung tumatawag kay SPAPC to join the majority? He has always been on that side. Yung iba yung nagbago ng isip. Tandaan po ninyo, 3 na po. This is the 3rd attempt to unseat Senator Tito Soto's Senate presidency. Ngayon ito nag-succeed and in every attempt, andun si Senator Alan Peter. Yagaw Adobo Ernst Edison says, meron po talagang mga nakatawa. Well, I think she's just ill-informed. Wala nang gamot po dyan, mga di marunong mag-critical thinking kasi close na mga utak nila. Yun. Sabi ni Wake Up, yun lang daw kasi kaya ng budget hanggang shallow comment lang. Sabi ni Netanyahu, Benjamin, somebody got toasted. Okay. Sabi ni Fiona, many people say Bato escaped. Escape from what? Since the ICC warrant is unrecognized as of now, I think there's no legal basis for them to restrict his freedom of movement. Correct, ma'am. Very good. Therefore, we should resist that narrative. Yung mga nagsasabi na may nagpadala sa akin ng poster ng Mr. Quickie pero si Attorney Matibag yung parang mascot. Anyway, but Ma'am Fiona is correct, no? As far as our laws are concerned, Senator Bato is not doing anything wrong. He can attend Senate. He can leave the Senate premises. His freedom of movement has not been restricted. Sabi ni Miggy Boy, yung gulo nangyari sa new leadership ng Senate, sasabihin nila drama daw ng new leadership. What if kina Tito Sen nangyari yan? For sure, sasabihin nila ng gulo ang mga DDS. Well, to be fair, dumating si Senator Bato, si Senate President Tito Soto pa ang nakaupo. But because Senator Bato arrived, a call was made to declare all the positions vacant. Nanalo sila kasi sila na yung mayorya. So yung gulo nag-umpisa during the term of Tito Soto as Senate President. Sabi ni Ma'am Elara, from my little knowledge, Matibag is one of Mar Rojas's guys. Oh, I didn't know this. Do you think that since ES and Mar are close, they're working on something? Well, I don't have enough evidence to indicate that, but we'll keep an eye out for it. Masyado na rin kasing ginagawa ng kwento ng ibang media yung nangyari, kaya watak-watak tayo. I don't think so. I think the media, mas ang nangyayari, it's more like gumugulo yung perception ng mga issues. Pero para sabing watak-watak, I disagree. Because to this day, the biggest voting bloc in the country and the most successful one so far is what is called the DDS. So, hindi watak-watak ang DDS. Posible na polarized ang political opinions in accordance kung sino yung minamanok para sa 2028 or according to political parties. Pero yung watak-watak tayo, I disagree with that one. Oo, sabi ni November Lady, nagkakaisa ang DDS. Sabi ni Spam, then move on. Then move on. Umpisa na ang impeachment. Kailan lang po ba dumating yung articles of impeachment? Paano makaka-move on according to you? Today lang or kahapon lang dumating. And by their own admission, voluminous documents. Kung sabihin din ng Senado, ang daming dokumento, iaano pa namin. One, isi-xerox pa nila for each senator. Number two, gagawa sila ng rules. Mamaya sasabihin niyo, ang tagal naman ng impeachment, but all of that is already part of the impeachment proceedings. Nag-umpisa na po. And it started in the House pa lang. Ngayon nag-transmit sila. Ang pinoproblema nyo, yung forthwith, hanggang ngayon ba, problema nyo pa rin yun. Nagsalita na ang Korte Suprema. The only reason atat kayo is because it's not moving according to your speed. Hayaan nyo yung Senado mag-decide nun. Sabi ni Ma'am Ola, I don't understand, galit sila kay APC, incompetent daw. He is a lawyer, mas gusto nila comedian. Sabi ni Pelagic Adventure, yan ba yung narrative that GSIS wanted to secure their premises, so the first thing they came to mind was to call the NBI? Ginagawa tayong tanga ni... Sabi ni 30, si Mel sa 24 oras, nagtataka talaga, bakit daw nag-warning shot si Sergeant? Nagkaputukan daw tuloy. Ay nako, paano nila sasabihin na stop, tigilan ninyo yung barena? Diba sinabihan sila, hindi ba illegal yung pagbabarena? Hindi ba attack yon, incursion yon into the Senate? Of course, you're going to have to make her understand that. Yan. Nililigawan po ng minority yung dalawang independent senators. If makuha nila sila, may possibility na maagaw nila ang mayorya. Okay, but let's take a look. Sino ba yung dalawang nililigawan? Senator Zubiri and Senator J.V. Ejercito. Tingin nyo ba maliligawan yung dalawang yon? Parang tingin ko hindi. Kasi nag-identify na even noon pa itong si Senator Mix. But both of them are not up for re-election. So I don't know kung anong kinatatakutan nila. Sabi ni Ma'am Angela, mas okay lawyer ang mamuno sa Senado, lalong-lalo na sa panahon ng impeachment. Do you think may mapaparusahan sa Senate siege, sabi ni Zion? Kasi sa KOJC siege, walang napanagot. Well, I think that there will be at least an attempt na mapanagot sila. Sabi ni Eric, anong stand mo sa jurisdiction ng RA 9851 na sinurrender na nila sa International Court ang ruling? I think that provision is either unconstitutional if it is standalone or must be read in light of the constitutional requirement that a local court must first pass judgment. So yun po yun. Sabi ni Triggerman, Melvin Matibag and Justice Secretary Vida are members of the Utopia fraternity, same with Paquito Ochoa, who was very close to FL Lisa. Is Paquito Ochoa the de facto executive secretary? I disagree. Okay, unang-una, wala na po yung presence niya sa Malacanang. Hindi gaya dati, na ramdam siya. Number two, hiwa-hiwalay po ang political persuasion sa loob ng Utopia fraternity. There are many. Remember that marami pong na umalis sa Marcos administration na Utopians who were serving in the Marcos administration. So iba-iba po ang stand nila. As a matter of fact, may Dilaw, may Loyalista, may DDS na members ng Utopia fraternity. And yes, I know very well who the members are. Sabi ni Jeffrey, dapat talaga yung uupong SP ay abogado, hindi komedyante na graduate ng university. Wala kasing rule that says hindi pwedeng na kailangan lawyer. It's just practical, kumbaga. Many of us see the practicality, lalo-lalo na pag mag-i-impeachment. Sabi ni Silent Poison, si JV tingin ko hindi, pero si Migs mukhang bibigay kasi nag-away na sila ni Cayetano niyan eh. But tatayain ba nila yung kanilang political future to vote against Inday? What do you think? Sabi ni Omi, in one of the interviews of Senator Zubiri, he said he doesn't agree with the change of leadership. If he doesn't agree, he could have said no. Maybe it's a principled stand. Sabi ni Ma'am, abuse of authority, greedy people, PI, walang awa sa mamamayang Pilipino. Sabi ni Apps, bakit po kaya hanggang ngayon ay di pa nakakasuhan yang si Trillanes? Masyado ng perwisyo sa ating bansa. Well, it might be because we don't see what crime he is committing, if any. So the law, the Constitution says that we have to presume innocence. Kumbaga, hindi naman natin siya kinakasuhan dahil asar tayo. Kailangan kinakasuhan siya dahil lumabag siya sa batas. Sabi ni 0307, sa case ni Senator Bato, ano pong pwedeng legal remedies para di siya madala sa Hague? Well, I think they already filed a petition with the Supreme Court. Sino po kaya yung tumatawag kay SPAPC to join the majority? He has always been on that side. Yung iba yung nagbago ng isip. Tandaan po ninyo, 3 na po. This is the 3rd attempt to unseat Senator Tito Soto's Senate presidency. Ngayon ito nag-succeed, and in every attempt, andun si Senator Alan Peter. Does the minority know what happened yesterday? I'm pretty sure they do. Sabi ni Majes, na-observe ko si SP at Lauren laging magka-partner sa leadership. Dati sa House sila din ng partners. Well, that means they work well together. Or they enjoy working well together. May lae ba nung time nyo? Yes, 5,000 ang kumuha ng lae when I sat for that. And yun, they take the top 200. Sabi ni Christopher, it's so ironic. Kakampings are calling the Senate a laughing stock with SP Cayetano, a lawyer, while yung pinalitan niya is a graduate of School Bukol and a comedian. I know, sometimes, di ba, it defies logic. Sabi ni Ma'am Josephine, mahirap na kung magstay pa siya sa Senado, si Senator Bato, dahil wala ng rule of law sa administrasyon na ito. Sabi ni Relax, Diego, sabi ni Matibag attorney, hindi raw tauhan ng NBI yung nahuli, utusan lang daw, minsan driver. Kaya siya nahuli dahil binalikan yung bag. Sino kaya nag-utos? I don't even know if it's his tactical bag, di ba? Sabi ni David, paano mo makakasuhan si Trillanes wala namang kaso? Sagapauso. Ano yung sagapauso? Matutuloy po ba ang impeachment? Sabi ni Neki, I don't see any reason why it should not. Bakit kaya nag-seek ng PNP custodial si Senator Bato? I don't think he did. PNP custodial, no, I don't think so. Sabi ni Pong, maligaya na ako, napalitan na yung SP, may matutuhan na may patutunguhan na yung pag-imbestiga sa flood control. Well, sabi ni Ernie, may balita ba kung sino na BRC chairman? Wala pa po. Is it accurate to say na wala pa tayong rules on surrender like Attorney Bondoc stated sa news kaya need ng nuance yung 9851? No, the IRR does not determine whether or not executable ang 9851. Failure po, yung hindi paggawa ng rules is a failure of those people executing it. Hindi yon automatic na ibig sabihin na hindi siya i-execute, no? On the other hand, kumbaga dapat yung plain reading of the law ang iiral. However, tama siya in that sense kasi the IRR will clarify or will define how to treat particularly those who are charged with crimes against humanity in other jurisdictions. And it will clarify the rights of a person under this law. Clarify lang, pero hindi siya nagde-determine kung executable o hindi. Pero tama pa rin siya. Ang cute rinig yung bells ng color ng cats nyo. Oo nga eh. Sayang di nyo na nakita. Kanina kasi nakita ng mga TikTokers yung si Bart. Sabi ni Quibs, Trillanes is an agent of chaos. It's an interesting way of putting it. May idea po ba kayo sino yung 4 na senadora na may insider information? Senador na may insider information about sa mangyayari sa Senate siege, edi yung apat na unang lumabas. Soto, Contiveros, Pangilinan, not sure if it was Aquino who's the fourth. Sabi ni Sky, kakahiya kayo mga DDS. Scripted ang barilan. Yun pala tumakbo si Bato. Ay, kakaiba ka naman mag-isip. Ang una pong namaril, NBI. So, bahagi yun ng script. Parang ini-ignore ninyo na magkatunggali yung NBI at saka USAA. Kakaloka ka ha? Sabi ni J-Lo, how about yung CCTV na pinapatago ni Jinggoy? Hindi ko po alam na may CCTV na pinapatago si Jinggoy. Pero check natin dito sa Senator Jinggoy. Based on reports, okay. Based on social media documentation, Senator Jinggoy Estrada, this is according to AI, sa Gemini. Senator Jinggoy Estrada was allegedly heard saying itago niya yung CCTV. Context, the instruction was allegedly given while other senators were questioning who fired the shots and demanding to see the footage. Well, for me, the good faith interpretation of that is itago, meaning isecure. But is there a crime? Meron bang sumunod? Nangyari po ba yon? So ako, I don't see any crime. May hinihikayat siya pero hindi tayo sure kung krimen yung paghihikayat na yon. Okay? Alam mo, Ben, I wonder why you are insisting on a reaction on my part about the statement of the IBP. Necessary ba mag-react ako? I have no reaction. Kasi tama naman, but I have no reaction. Why are you insisting? Ilang beses mong pinostin, I'm wondering, why is this important to you? I want to know, I really do. Why is it important for you that maglabas ako ng reaction about the IBP statement? Are you a reporter looking for something? Are you going to write about it? What is your reason for wanting a reaction from me? Kung hindi ko po nire-reactan lahat. Kung mapapansin po ninyo, hindi naman lahat ng mga issues o mga maliliit na incidents or even malalaking incidents ay mayroon kaming reaction or interpretation dito. Sabi ni Mahong Bisoy, good morning. Ano po yung reaction niyo sa planong CONAS? Matagal na po kaming nagre-react. Ayun, sabi ni Sir Bill, wow, may IBP statement pala about the issue. I don't even know it nga not all lawyers do, sabi ni Attorney Bill. Sa akin, kung it reflects whatever it is the common knowledge about the incident, then okay lang. Wala kasi akong nakikita na worth commenting on. Kailangan bang mag-comment? Kailangan bang mag-react? Kailang sa akin. Sabi ni Francis, it was not meant to hide. It was meant to secure the video ng CCTV. Sabi ni, ito yung sinabi kasi ni Senator Jinggoy. Dahil kita sa CCTV na NBI ang unang nagpaputok. Kaya naman nagsalita si Jinggoy na itago mo yan. Hi kay Dale. Sabi niya, love you, laban lang tayo. Of course. Yung sa tama. Sabi ni Jason, VP, wag na pa-attend ng impeachment sa Senado, baka lusubin ng mga armadong tao pag nag-trial na. Kasi nakita na medyo may vulnerability, Naintindihan ko yung sentimiento niyo na yan. Sabi ni Wen, ngayon lang yata walang FB Live si Senator Robin. Nasaan kaya siya? Well, I don't think it's about where he is. Pero kasi on the first night na nandun na dumating si Senator Bato, dinalaw ko siya sa Senado. Yes, may pictures ako. And kasama niya si Senator Robin at si Senator Jinggoy. So puyat na puyat po silang lahat. So tingin ko, pagod lang si Senator Robin kaya hindi siya makapag-live kasi ilang araw din akong either walang live or live lang na limited, like either TikTok lang or dito lang. Kasi the only time na makapag-live ako ay pag nasa kotse. Pagdating sa bahay, super pagod at super puyat na. So yun, sabi ni Yengski, 3 days na walang maayos na tulog si Sen Robin. Oo, pahinga muna. Lahat ng mga kahit yung mga tao na sumagot sa panawagan na magtipon-tipon sa Senado, puyat-puyat po kami, puyat-puyat po yung mga kasama, kaya hindi ako nagugulat kung bakit kakailanganin ng pahinga. Sabi ni Ijun, nakapanood ako sa live ni Senator Jinggoy, tinitwist nila yung mga kalaban na vlogger, yung sa mga kalaban na vlogger. Sinong tiyanga ang mag-live tapos sasabihin mo, itago ang CCTV, literal na itago talaga para cover up. Sabi nga ni John Vic na nag-order siya na secure ang CCTV, nakita ko din yun. Sabi ni Min Baget, the government's reaction says it all, puro, we'll investigate. What can you say about other people saying that yesterday was staged? Yung ganyang kasing paratang, pinapatunayan yan. Meaning, maglabas kayo ng ebidensya. At hindi po ebidensya yung logic na sinasabi ninyo. That is interpretation. So, ilabas ninyo. Di ba? Argument po, pag sinasabi ninyong, bakit ganito? Coincidence naman kung ganito. Remember, ano yung scientific take on coincidences? Once, pwedeng second, pag dalawang beses nangyari, coincidence. Once na nangyari, natural lang yon. Twice nangyari, coincidence. 3 beses na mangyari, act of human intervention na yan, human act na yan. So, follow the logic, follow the science, bago kayo mag-conclude na may staged pa at saka conspiracy pa. Kasi kahit ang mga conspiracy theorists, naglalabas sila ng ebidensya. Hindi sila nagre-rely ng simple interpretation of the events. But, kumbaga, malaya naman sila to say that. Hindi lang tayo naniniwala, kumbaga. Kasi I really don't think that you can stage something like that na ganun kalaki. Kasi staged, tapos kasama mo pati yung mga kalaban nyo, you are relying on the acts of your kalaban or people who do not share your interests in order to stage the whole thing. Hindi po kapani-paniwala na yan. Sabi ni Attorney Bill, riddle me this, if the Senate siege was staged, where is the stage and who are the directors and the actors? Oo. Kumbaga, give us evidence. Kumbaga, if you want to persuade people, then give the evidence. Otherwise, pabida lang minsan yung mga statements. Hindi, mga ganyan. It's just to cast doubt. They're not trying to prove anything. Gusto nila na magduda lang ang mga tao doon. Bakit? Kasi pag nagduda tayo, mawawala yung outrage natin doon sa violation ng rights kay Senator Bato. Mawawala yung outrage natin doon sa kumbaga baseless or lacking legal basis ng mga acts ng NBI. It is to make us feel that there are other forces that are at work at hindi tayo dapat ma-outrage. Parang ganun. So, no. Patunayan nila. Bakit na-run away yung minority? Bakit umalis sila? Sabi ni Senadora Amy na tip off sila na may gulo. Hindi po lahat na tip off. Sabi ni Bekang, sa totoo lang, di mangyayari yan kung walang utos sa taas. Ito, may ebidensya yan. Well, may basis siyang sabihin yan kasi sinabi ito ni Senadora Amy na inutusan ni Presidente ang NBI na hulihin si Senator Bato at all costs kahit sino man daw ang masaktan, kahit may masaktan. Sabi ni Majes, stage daw, anong tawag dun sa NBI? Supporting actors. Sabi ni Ancient Hub, alam niyo po, kung nasa media kayo, dapat may palabok kayo nakahanda para masarap ang kwentuhan, humaba. Sino may sabing gusto kong humaba? Sabi ni Sweet Dream, staged? How about planned? As in stick to the plan. What are you saying? That all parties were part of the plan? Paano? Sabi ni Carlo, why walang interview from GSIS head kung true yung sinasabi ni NBI director? Baka posible na wala siyang personal knowledge. So, but you're right. I think that would have been important to complete the story. Sabi ni Attorney Bill, which is which? Planned stage or staged plan? Talaga ginulo mo yung usapan. Sabi ni Ma'am Rica, are there any leads on who was the informant and the mastermind to the minority senators which led them to leave the premises early? Hindi ko po alam. Si Senadora Amy ang naglabas ng balita eh. Sabi ni Giovanni, pwede po bang ipatawag sa Senado si Matibag at si Trillanes para ipaliwanag at ipakita ang warrant? Kung mayroon pong inquiry in aid of legislation, bago po mapatawag ay kailangan may resolution. Dali, I need water. Sorry. Obviously, iba yung lugar ko, no? Sabi ni Sunny Hayo, doon sa 13, sino sa tingin nyo ang pwede pang bumaliktad o sure hanggang botohan na yung sa impeachment? Wala po akong giniguess na ganyan. Wala pa po akong nakikitang ganyan. Sabi ni Don Mac, ang galing ni Bato, pinalitan lang yung SP. What do you mean? Are you saying na dumating lang siya para palitan yung SP? Hindi. Nagstay siya eh. Nag-attempt siya magstay. Pero yung tuloy-tuloy na atake or what has been characterized as attacks on the Senate made it impossible for him to stay. Sabi ni Min Bagyat, maganda to. In my opinion, it was a failed arrest na wala nang gustong umako kasi pumalpak. Mm-hmm. Sabi ni Right and Just, pero kung nag-succeed yung pagdukot kay Bato, staged pa rin kaya sasabihin nila? May point ka dyan. Is it possible na makalabas pa po ng bansa si Senator Bato? Wala po siyang travel ban? Wala. Wala naman siyang kaso. Sabi ni Kuya Ru, sabi ni Matibag kay BBM, wala daw ganun instruction si BBM. So, ibig sabihin, ang nag-utos sa NBI si BBM. Aminado naman si Senator Amy na si BBM ang nag-utos. Sabi ni Ma'am Ola, for those saying na staged yung sa Senate, ano ang goal? Makaalis si Senator Bato? Tapos na ang shooting, hindi pa siya nalabas. Early morning pa umalis si Senator Bato. Nakapag-usap pa sila ni John Vic. Sabi ni Attorney Bill, kung successful yung arrest, di mag-aagawan na naman ng credits yan sigurado. Sabi ni Jason, Senator Bato, saka ka na ulit lumabas pagputukan ng impeachment para umiyak ulit ang mga pinklawan. Sabi ni Willingly Yours, pwede bang pagsabayin ang impeachment at flood control investigation? Pwede po. Pwedeng sa umaga yung inquiry tapos sa hapon yung impeachment. Di po siya huhulihin sa airport if ever lumabas siya ng bansa. Hindi. Or dapat hindi. Hindi nga valid eh. Wala ngang arrest warrant po eh. Sabi ni Bong Javier, any chance na makuha ulit nila Soto ang leadership? Is it possible na may makuha sa current majority senators? Ang tingin ko dyan, posible yan parate. But is it likely? Right now, hindi. Kasi ito ang sasabihin. Matapos yung mga sinabi ni Senator Soto tungkol kay Loren, babaliktad pa ba si Loren? Matapos mag-complain si Senator Soto sa harap ng mga tao na bakit kami ina-attack, yung pinupukpok daw yung sasakyan niya nung lumabas sila. It was a preview of what the people feel about him. So, sa tingin ninyo, after makita ng mga senador yan, babaliktad pa sila. Tapos yun nga, bakit yung 4 lang ang na-tip off? Kung 4 lang talaga ang na-tip off, hindi ko sure yan kasi hindi pa nagsasabi yung ibang senador. So kung totoo na yung mga nakaalis lang ang na-tip off, tingin niyo may babaliktad pa dun sa mga natira, sa mga nagpaiwan. Let's face it, yung ginawa kahapon o yung pangyayari kahapon sa Senado solidified the majority. Alam nila na ganyan ka-severe yung reaction ng administrasyon. Now, it was intended to scare them. It was intended to... Ito, sandali ha, may bastos eh. Yan. It was intended not just for Senator Bato, but to scare all the other senators. Ganito ang magiging response pag hindi kayo sumusunod sa kagustuhan ng administrasyon. Now, if you're looking for a comparison to Marcos Sr.'s martial law, yun. Yung pananakot na yun. Yung pinapakita nila, yung dahas na gagamitin ng Estado. And yes, the NBI are agents of the state. PNP, agents of the state yan. So, ibig sabihin, yung galaw nila, presumably, galaw yan na iniuutos ng Estado as represented by the government, the executive. Pero ito yung pinakakahiya-hiya, o not kakahiya, pinakamali na nangyayari dyan. Kagabi was an important example of what a constitutional crisis looks like when it is extreme. Ina-attack ng executive yung legislature. Okay? Dapat sacred yung kanilang pagkakahiwa-hiwalay. Yung mga sangay ng gobyerno, nire-respeto yung mga yung mga powers na ina-allocate sa kanila sa saligang batas. Anong ginawa ng executive? Sinugod nila ang legislature, ang Senado. Sinugod nila, wala silang basis. So, ang pinaka-interpretasyon natin yan, nagpakita sila ng dahas para takutin yung mga senador. Para takutin sila sa impending impeachment. Takutin sila na wag silang tumutol sa kagustuhan ng administrasyon. That's what it was about. It wasn't just about Senator Bato. Of course, nandyan din yan. Gusto rin nila yan because they want to ensure na makokontrol yung mga events sa Senado, lalong-lalo na sa flood control at saka sa impeachment. So yun yung purpose niyan. Do not forget, the purpose was to show the might of the state, na malakas sila, na kaya nilang gawin ito. Intimidation, sabi ni Benj McNabbs. Totoo. Yun yung purpose. However, ito yung maganda ang nakita natin. Doon sa mga natirang mga senador sa loob, during the, nagmi-meeting sila, and during that period, ano ang naging epekto? Ang epekto, simple. Naggalit sila. And that, para sa akin, was the best response ever. Kasi ibig sabihin, hindi sila nagpapatakot. Ang response nila, galit. Mas tama yon. Hindi takot, galit. They can try to do these things, but the administration should also accept when they have lost this game. Pakaloka sila. Ay, sandali. Ano ba to? Yan, sabi ni Kenneth, naggalit sila at hindi nila iniwan ang isa't isa. Yan ang pinakamagandang nakita kong reaksyon. Ang bastos, grabe. Sandali, mag-ano ko ng bastos. Sabi ni Caballo, tama yung isa kanina, why can't you comment? Hindi yan yung tinanong niya. Sabi niya, what is your reaction? Dun, kung naligal yung warrant, sabi ng IBP, that makes Bato a fugitive. But here you are being Bato's attorney, dare to comment? No. Unang-una, sabi ko, ayokong nagko-comment, I don't have to react to everything. Kasi meron akong ibang pinag-uusapan. What you are doing is compelling me to comment on something that I barely glanced at. Unang-una yan. Pangalawa, magbigay ka muna ng pangalan mo para magdebate tayo. Hindi ako magdidebate sa inyo. Sige, magko-comment ako. Labas mo yung tunay na pangalan mo at saka yung address mo. Para patas. Kung sakasakaling mag-libel ka sa akin, makakasuhan kita. Game? Dare? Labas mo yung pangalan mo. Okay lang sa akin, magko-comment ako dyan. At may dahilan ako, and as a matter of fact, I disagree with that portion, assuming na yung sinasabi mo ay totoo. So, game? Don't dare me. I do not take kindly to threats. Pero hindi ako papayag na mandidihado ka. Labas mo yung pangalan mo, labas mo yung address mo para square. Kung sakaling mag-libel ka, katulad ng ina-attempt mo ngayon, wala tayong problema. Pasasa ilalim ka. Patas na laban. Game? Oh, lalabas ko yung address ko na sa search. Actually, it's online. Game. Labas mo. Game. Go. San yung pangalan mo muna? Kasi alam mo na yung pangalan ko. Asan yung pangalan mo? Labas mo na. Pangalan mo pa lang. Hindi ko babasahin yung mga paninira mo. Hindi mo kayang ilabas yung pangalan mo, no? Ayaw? Bakit? Dahil malalaman namin kung saan ka nagtatrabaho, pwede naman kami mag-serve ng dyan eh. Pwede kami mag-serve ng summons dyan eh. Huwag mo akong sasabihan kumalma. Game? Saan yung pangalan? Waiting. Kung hindi ka mag-respond with your name, troll ka, and we have every right to delete and ban you. Game? Kita mo to, namimilit. How do you know na hindi ako magkukomento bukas after mag-research ako? Ha? Kakaloka. You can't shame me when I refuse to comment. You cannot. That's not possible. Because I have all my reasons to do so. And it is my right. Kung may right ako magsalita, may right rin ako na mag-prevent na hindi magsalita. Kapal ng mukha, ah. Nasa na yung name mo? Jose M. Rodrigo. O sige, i-search nyo muna kung totoo yung pangalan na yan. Saan yung pangalan? Kailangan pakita mo na totoong tao ka. Hindi ko pa hinihingi address mo, ha? Totoong tao ka ba? Willing kang lumabas, pakita ka ng muka. Ilalabas kita. Game? Game? Saan ang mukha mo? Sige, maglalabas ako dito. Saan siya nagpo-post? Sa YouTube ba siya nagpo-post? Okay. Labas tayo ng link. Saan siya nanonood? Sa Luminous ba? Pakita ka ng mukha. After that, ipa-private send ko sa iyo yung address ko. Send mo rin yung address mo sa akin. O yan, pinadala ko yung link. Akyat na. Game. Maglabas ka nga, sabi ni Archie, maglabas ka na national ID. Game. Pakita mo na totoo kang tao. Sabi ni Bill, Attorney Bill, kabayo, astig pa mo pre, hinamon mo sa debate, abogada. Game. Hindi lang yun, hinamon niya ako sa debate na legal. Wala na, tapos na yung 5 minutes mo. Game? Ayaw mong magpakita? Nagbigay ka ng fake name, Kaya ayaw mong ilabas yung pangalan mo, yung mukha mo. Okay, time is up. Sana yung mga administrators natin. Nasa na? Game. Sabi niya, healthy lang, not attacking. Tumigil ka nga dyan. Inakusahan mo ako nang nag-aabogado ako kay Bato. Healthy pa ba yan? Game, lika na. Show your face. So ngayon, pikon ka na. Ganyan kasi kayo mga DDS. Iiyak ka na? Laging attack sa inyo pag na-corner kayo? Hindi ako cornered. Binibigyan kita ng pagkakataon na makipagdebate sa akin, pero magpakita ka ng mukha mo at ilabas mo yung totoo mong pangalan. Just to protect each other. Kasi pwede mo akong kasuhan eh. Tapos hindi kita pwedeng kasuhan, ganun ba yon? Hindi. We will be on equal footing. Game. Kung hindi mo kaya, your 5 minutes are up. Baban ka na namin. O ano, nanggugulo ka lang eh. At sino may sabing, hindi kami magkokomento? Yan yung ano mo eh. Parang sinasabi mo, ayaw mo magkomento kasi masama para sa cause ninyo. Dear, buong linggo na akong pagod, puyat, naggagawa pa ako ng thesis. Gusto mo magpilit na magbigay ako ng opinion at ano yun, on demand? Are you nuts? Ayan, sabi ni Attorney Bill, oh, DDS kami. So what? Di ba? Hi kay Edu. Yes. Ang saya, no? Air Force family. Thank you kay Sir Fernando Guerrero for your super sticker at kay Ma'am Consuelo Neri. Maraming salamat po. Sabi ni Noel, basta anay ng lipunan, ay, sa lipunan, duwag. Sabi ni Omi, unleashing the beast. Hindi na ko mamaaga pa, wala pa tayong Maria. Okay, classic duwag. Nung pinalalabas na yung muka, ito yung problema sa inyong mga troll. You cannot walk the talk. Ang lalakas ng loob ninyo mag-challenge. At tuwang-tuwa kayo because you think you're challenging a public figure. Sure. Diba? Sure, you can do that. Pero that doesn't mean walang consequences on your part. So ito, from now on, gusto nyo mag-challenge? Paakyatin ko kayo. But you have to give your real name and show your real face. Diba? Kasi yan ang ginagawa namin. When we make statements here, inaako namin yung statements dito. In fact, most of the people making comments here, they use their real names and they put in their real faces. So, because you have to own it. Kung hindi mo kayang akuin yung statement nyo, wala kang lugar dito. Wala, okay, banned na siya, lampas 5 minutes na eh. Ayaw niya, nagpipilit siya, bigay na lang kayo comment, bigay na lang kayong comment. Sure, I can give a comment, pero patas tayo kasi mga ano yan eh, mangdalainbel yan eh. And you cannot, like, kumbaga, we will not give you the opportunity to libel us ng walang balik. You accept the consequences of your actions. Otherwise, block and ban ka na lang. Di ba? Sabi ni Gallows God, if Pia Cayetano's reaction is any indication of how the neutral or undecided feel, then we now really have the numbers to win. Sabi ni Neki, makakasuhan ba si Cayetano sa action dahil sa obstruction of justice? No. Because kailangan valid yung arrest. So hindi kahit ang NBI at kahit ang Pangulo inaamin nila na hindi valid yun. Kaya nga nagdi-deny ang NBI that they were there yesterday because they will not be able to explain their actions. At least not on a legal basis.